I have some absolutely phenomenal news for you guys. So as a lot of you know, from my last video, I said I was going to start 2 more challenge accounts for FTMO. On the last video, I ended up taking out for my first successful month for a different account. And now I've already funded 2 more. I've already purchased 2 more challenge accounts. And let me tell you, the first week they were doing phenomenal. So within only 2 days, I had 2 different trades. I had a US 30 sell and a SP 500 sell as well, as you can see from here. Hopefully I'll provide a screenshot for that. And they both did phenomenal. Now I did this on 2 separate accounts. I did take that US 30 trade on the funded account as well. So I'm actually able to receive some direct money from this. And if you notice at the bottom where it says a profit, I've already reached the $10,000 profit mark. So what this means is I've already hit the profit target for FTMO, which you see on the screen right now. And essentially what this means is now I just need a couple more minimum trading days. So I'll just have a couple more small lot trades just to make sure that I get that a check mark. I have to do 10 minimum trading days, and then I'll be on to the next step of the challenge as well for both of the 2 accounts. So I'll go ahead and show you both of those. And so like you can see, I'm really excited because this will be an additional $200,000 of AUM in addition to the $100,000 AUM. AUM, by the way, is assets under management. It's how much money you get to control, essentially. So right now I control 100,000, but I'll get 200 more or 300, which is FTMO's max that they do allow. I would have purchased even more challenges if FTMO was allowing it, but unfortunately they only allow up to 3. So I just want to make a really short video for you, and so I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like below and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are looking to follow my next trades, similar to these trades in the verification stage, as well as just trades that I have for my funded account, go ahead and check the link below as well for a link to my website. That's going to take you to my membership course, which is absolutely a phenomenal opportunity. So if you haven't already, if you're not already part of any course, it's one of the very best communities out there for specifically the FTMO Challenge and Elliott Wave. So if you're interested at all in either of those 2 things, definitely check out the course. There's already quite a few of you in there, and I really appreciate all of you in there. So thank you so much for all the support that you guys have given me. And I want to give back as much value as I can to you guys. So again, please subscribe below, check the links, and I'll see you guys in the next video.